Today, the U.S. reaches a grim milestone. Nearly 500,000 people dead from COVID-19. ABC's Mary Alice Parks has more from Washington.
A painful reality unimaginable just a year ago. Nearly 500,000 deaths from COVID-19 in the U.S., more than the number of American soldiers who died during World War I, World War II, the Korean War, and Vietnam combined. Jonathan Polk, a funeral director in Long Beach, California, describes some days like a horror movie.
We've still had to turn away some families because we've just been bombarded. COVID is a disease that's robbing a lot of families, and we're here to help people, but at the same time, we have to be realistic as far as what we can handle.
According to analysis from Kaiser Health News and The Guardian, the death toll includes more than 3,000 doctors, hospital staff, and other medical workers on the front lines. Like nurse Vanna Underwood, a 36-year-old mother of 6 who treated COVID-19 patients and died right before the holidays.
She had a lot of residents where she took care of, and she was so a part of their lives. She ended up being in a lot of their obituaries.
Officials now trying to get vaccine distribution back on track. More than 43 million Americans have received at least one dose of a coronavirus vaccine. But last week, 3 days worth of shipments held up by the weather. FedEx and UPS working through the weekend to make up for lost time.
We've been able to get about 2 million of those 6 million doses out. We expect to rapidly catch up this week.
The good news, cases continue to decline. The COVID tracking project says that the country has seen hospitalizations down for 40 straight days. Mary Alice Parks, ABC News, Washington.
A White House official says that President Joe Biden is planning to make remarks during a candle lighting event today to mark 500,000 American lives lost to COVID-19. The grim milestone is expected to be reached today. 28 million people have also become infected with the virus. That's about a quarter of the reported cases worldwide, and that's according to Johns Hopkins.